Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass FRP on a Samsung phone. Now I'm going to be demonstrating this using this Samsung phone I have here. Now this video is strictly for educational purpose. Make sure that you're trying this on your phone. Don't try this on a stolen phone. Before showing you how to unlock this phone, let's first of all get it to the Google lock screen so I can actually show you that this phone is FRP lock. So here I'm going to set up the phone so you can get to the Google lock screen. So you can see here an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi or a mobile network to verify identity. So guys, here all we want to do here now is to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Here you can see if I click on skip, I cannot skip this stage. I would need to connect to a Wi-Fi network for Google to verify this phone. So here I'm going to connect to a Wi-Fi network now. Okay, I'm going to click on next. Now this is going to take a couple of times depending on the speed of your internet, so let's just wait. Alright guys, so you can see on this screen your phone is it was factory reset. Draw your pattern to unlock the phone. Now here you can actually, if you remember your pattern, you can use your pattern to unlock the phone, or you can use your Google account. Use my Google account instead. So it will now take you to a screen where you have to input the right Google account and then the password that was used to set up the phone. Now if you don't remember these details, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video, how you can bypass this FRP screen. That's the factory reset protection screen, which we are currently in, right? So I'm going to show you how to unlock this FRP screen. All right, so I'm going to be switching my laptop screen. I'll show you the right tool that we're going to be downloading, the tool we're going to be using to unlock this phone. Now let's switch to the laptop screen. Let me show you the tool we're using to unlock the phone. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is to open any of your browser. Here I'm going to be using Chrome, so just open your browser and then you want to search for ITech-Unlock. Now the ITech-Unlock blog is actually my blogspot website, so I already have this tool uploaded on the site. So here let's just proceed to go and download the tool. So ITech-Unlock. So here, as you can see, itechunlock.blogspot.com. So just open it, and then you want to search for best flash tool. So here is the tool. Just click on it, and then you want to scroll down to the download section. Now before you proceed to download this tool, just make sure that you've installed all these drivers. Just make sure you have the MTK drivers installed, the Samsung USB drivers installed, and then you want to make sure you have the USB DK drivers installed on your PC, right? So after you have done installing all these drivers, then you can proceed to go and download the software tool, right? So just click on download. So guys, I already have this tool downloaded and installed on this PC, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to open it and then show you how you can actually use the tool to unlock this phone, right? Alright guys, so once you open this tool, this is how the dashboard looks. So here you can see we have tons of different options here. So just make sure that you selected this MediaTek. See here we have flash, we have meta, we also have a service. So just make sure that you are under service. Then you want to click on reset FRP. Click on reset FRP. Just click on it, and then let's proceed to connect the phone. Okay guys, so what you want to do here is to go ahead now to connecting your USB cable. and then you want to make sure that you power off the phone. Just connect it to the phone, and then you go ahead and then power off the phone. Just turn off the phone, and then you wait for the tool to pick up the phone, and then remove the FRP screen. As you can see, it's unlocking the phone. Just allow it. When it is done unlocking, the screen of the phone is going to come on. Alright guys, so here you can see FRP reset and factory reset success. FRP reset success. Alright, so this tool has successfully bypassed the FRP screen on this phone. Okay, so what you want to do here now is to unplug the phone, and then you want to go ahead now to power on the phone. So guys, if today is your first time here on my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the like icon so that YouTube can push this video to more people that need. Alright, so here we won't be needing the Wi-Fi network again, so just go ahead and forget the Wi-Fi network, and then you want to click on skip now. Skip. So guys, as you can see, we are setting up the phone without the Google account credential. Skip. Alright guys, so now you can see that we have successfully unlocked this phone without Google account, without any password. Alright, so that's a quick one how to bypass FRP on your Samsung phone. Now let me know in the comment section if this tool was able to remove the FRP on your phone. Alright, so with that said, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.